Now this here is a perfect campsite for an RV, overlooking the highway out of Soap Lake, facing north. But you can't go too far over because you'll fall off a cliff. This cliff is 500 feet tall. So maybe I'll find out who owns this piece of land here, and maybe I can rent it from them on a long-term lifetime lease, because it's got to be the best view property I've ever seen in Soap Lake. Better than where I'm living now. It's a 360 flat-topped lot, 360-degree view. And there's all the $500,000 to $1 million homes over that way. In fact, there's a new home being built right over yonder. It's not even done yet. So the weather is foggy in the north, clearing in the south, and cold in the middle. Have a God day. God blesses everyone infinitely. Brought to you by the Church of Infinitology. Alex S. Gabor, founder. May the sun never set on your life.